everyone, I am P. Kadrivel. I am in second standard. Today I am going to sing the rhymes about nature. This rhyme tells us Earth is our dear mother. But what we are doing? We are cutting down the trees. We are throwing the garbage on the road. We should not do that. We should more plant trees and save our future. Now let's begin the rhymes. Rose are crying, rose are crying, because it's not clean, because it's not clean. The earth is dying, earth is dying, because it's not green, because it's not green. Earth is our dear mother, earth is our dear mother. Don't pollute it, don't pollute it. It gave us food and shelter. It gave us food and shelter. Yes, salute it. Yes, salute it. To global warming, to global warming. Is danger, is danger. Let's save it. Becoming a strong ranger. Let's save it. I becoming a strong ranger. With the dying trees and animals, the dying trees and animals. It is in sorrow, it is in sorrow. May green today and green tomorrow. May green today and green tomorrow. Melting snow, one day it will sink. Melting snow, one day it will sink. How can we save? How can we save? Yes, yes, trees are precious, trees are precious. Let's sow them, let's sow them. Water is a treasure, water is a treasure. Let's sow them, let's sow them. Grow more trees and make Mother Earth good. Grow more trees and make Mother Earth good. To reduce pollution, make her a queen. To reduce pollution, make her a queen. Oh, wonderful nature, you are so beautiful. Oh, wonderful nature, you are so beautiful. With green trees and humming bees, with green trees and humming bees. The wandering butterfly, make my thoughts fly. The wandering butterfly, make my thoughts fly. I love nature very much. God give us this future. More trees, more rain, more trees, more